Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family. So I ended up using some of these little vinyl beads. I really don't like using these beads. They're flimsy, they're little, they're kind of hard to work with. They take forever and all that old crazy stuff. I like the beads. I just don't like working with the beads, okay? And you couldn't beat the $5.99 for all those different colors. And plus for what I am doing as far as like the little project that I'm working on. And just trying to get some items made. So I did match those vinyl beads with some of the bone beads and also with that little plastic focal bead, that pretty big bead right there. That's a plastic bead, and that was a bead that I got for a little bit of nothing. So I'm just putting together a couple of bracelets using the different colors of those big round beads as focal. So there's two different color, I think it's two different color greens, and one color looks like a grayish type of color or something. But I really like the way the bracelets came out. They took forever. One of these bracelets I literally had to take apart and then put back together at least 3 times because I kept forgetting to put one of the beads on the other side where it should have been 2 beads. I was putting 1 bead, and it was just crazy. And then on top of it, what I was doing was watching a training program. So when I be doing that, it kind of takes me off. Like a movie, I could put a movie in and listen to the movie, and every once in a while raise my head up and see what's going on. But when it's the training videos, especially videos or training programs that I pay for, I'll be trying to watch them and listen and everything all at the same time. So that is what was pretty much happening right here. So that's why I'm not talking in the video as I'm making the bracelets, because I'll be watching, the training. And then I did find another training program that I like. I'm going to go ahead and pay for. So, just keeping myself abreast of what's going on and always learning something new here, there, and everywhere. And, just trying to make it work. But anyway, I am going to go ahead and add some music. I think I made 2 or 3 bracelets in this video. I don't know. And remember, I really wasn't going to record, but I figured let me go ahead and turn the recorder on and give you guys an idea of some of the bracelets that I'm making to go in my fair. So I made a commitment to myself. I'm challenging myself to literally keep my fair store fully stocked with products. So that is going to be my main focus, my main goal. Not only making videos for YouTube, but also keeping my fair store fully stocked. I mean, there is so much. Fair is a gold mine. If you work fair right, fair is a gold mine. I mean, it's a really good platform to be on and stuff. So, and I don't know. It just be you be doing so much at one time and sometimes you really got to be in the mood to be doing stuff too. So I figure I'm going to just go all in and then make sure I keep the fair, like fully stocked. So I went in and I actually changed my banner, did some other little tweaks to it and all that good stuff. And I think I'm on a good road right now, and I'm going to kind of stay on that road as far as keeping it stocked and doing stuff with it. So anyway, that's what I'm doing over here. So I'm going to go ahead and put some music on. And if you watch, thanks for watching. And I do appreciate you. And we'll talk.
Taking a chance on me. I know I'm not the easiest to love. Oh, thank you for holding it down for me. I know sometimes you felt like giving up, but you stayed right here, and now I gotta let you know. I think I found a good one. Stay here for the rest of my life. I never find a better one. Better one, better one. I think I found a good one. Stay here for the rest of my life. I never find a better one. Better one, better one. I'll never find a better one. Better one, better one. Too many fakes in this world for me. They really make it hard for you to trust. Oh, but I'm giving you all, giving the best of me. Cause you told me how to open up. And I'ma stay right here, stay right here. And now I gotta let you know, I think I found a good one. Stay here for the rest of my life. I never find a better one. Better one,